through how to find the composition of linear and quadratic functions. So here we have, the way you read it, you read f compose g of x. Not f dot, not f times, it's f compose g of x. That means we're coming up with, we're creating a new function that is composed by the f and the g function. Wow, look at that. So what this is, it means, so you're going to create a new function, and you will, every time you see x right there on the f function, you will substitute with the g function. So you're going to get this. I see x right there, and I also see x right there. Okay, so here we go. F compose g of x. I have x squared. Oh, but this one is already squared. This is this. So, and then I have to square it. Plus 6, and then x squared. Okay, now we have to simplify this. So a power raised to another power you multiply. So x to the power of 4 plus 6x squared. This is the main idea. This is the easy concept. Okay? Same idea for number 2. C compose d of x. That means every time you have x in the c function, you're going to replace with whatever the d function is. So get this x squared, substitute that on the c function. So c compose d of x. So I'm not multiplying, I'm just substituting. So x squared instead of x plus 5. There's nothing else I need to do to simplify this. This is already simple enough. Number 3, follow the same idea. F compose g of x. But now, the g function is a trinomial, because I heard some people say, oh, you substitute the little one and the big one. No, that's not right. You have to actually do what the question is asking you to do. So you're finding f compose g of x. So you're going to get the f function, and then when you see x, you're going to substitute with whatever the g function is. It could be a big function, it could be a little function, it could be a number. Okay, so this will go right there. So f compose g of x. So negative 5. Substitute 2x squared minus 5x plus 6. Now distribute. There's nothing I need to combine. There's nothing I can simplify. So voila, that's my final answer right there. Now example 4, we have to do some more work, because I'm finding a compose b of x. So that means I get function b, and I will substitute right there for x and right there for x. So a compose b of x. So x is now 4x minus 1. So it's the whole thing. But x was squared, so square it. Minus 5, 4x minus 1, and then plus 4. Okay, so I had x, and I'm substituting that for x. Now this, it is not 16 squared minus 1. Stop. Stop, stop. What does that really mean? This means, I'm going to write it right here in the bottom. So 4x minus 1 times 4x minus 1. Okay, you can choose to do FOIL, or you can do the box, whatever you decide, just do it. Okay, I will do the box right here. If you don't remember how to do FOIL, the box and the FOIL, they're like siblings, you know. They're related, but not really. Just kidding, yes they are. So 4x minus 1, 4x minus 1. So multiply 4x times 4x, 16x squared. 4x times -1, negative 4x. Negative 1 times 4x, negative 4x. Negative 1 times -1, positive 1. Now, you will combine like terms. These are the only two that are like terms. Okay, back to the question. This whole thing is what I get from here, from combining like terms there. So I have 16x squared minus 4x is negative 8x plus 1. So this whole thing came from over here. Distribute. Okay, and then plus 4. Now we're going to combine again. So 16x squared. I have this x with this x, negative 28x. And I have 1 and 5 and 4. They make 10. Okay, there's nothing else I can simplify. Therefore, a composed b of x is this whole thing right here. 16x squared minus 28x plus 10